How to remove mildew stains from vinyl boat seats with alcohol and laundry detergent. Stubborn mildew stains are hard to remove from vinyl. To completely get rid of them on the surface of your vinyl boat seat, use alcohol to loosen them. In this method, you will need to use laundry detergent to lighten the stain before applying alcohol to the boat seats. Follow these steps to lighten stains using laundry detergent. 1. Add a cup of laundry detergent to a half liter of water. Mix to form a lather. 2. Wet the mildew-stained vinyl using the solution. 3. Scrub the area with a microfiber cloth. 4. Rinse the area with water. If the stains are still present, proceed with these steps. 5. Mix equal parts of water and alcohol to make a solution. 6. Dip a soft, bristled brush in the solution, then start scrubbing on the stained area. 7. Rinse with clean water and dry with a clean towel. You can use any alcohol depending on your preference. However, isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol, is the best choice because it can remove stains and disinfect the surfaces simultaneously. You can also use vodka or gin as alternatives. A common question about cleaning and removing mildew stains from vinyl. Can I use bleach to remove mildew stains on vinyl? Yes, although using bleach on vinyl boat seats is not ideal. Bleach dries up the vinyl seat by removing the natural oil from vinyl, damaging your boat even more. Although it's a quick solution, it can do more harm than good, so it's best to avoid using bleach completely. Other stains you want to remove. Visit howtoremovestains.com.